Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you've probably guessed, it's raining again in Cape Town today, so I thought let me do a pour and give me something to do. So because it's so cold and wet out there, I thought I'd do a nice bright pour today. The base color I'm using is a cadmium yellow, and then the other colors I'm using are a nice burnt orange, Azurean crimson, one of my favorites, then a nice Dutch orange, and a nice light pink. And the technique I'm going to be doing today is an open cup pour. If I can find the cup. There it is. So I'm going to be doing an open cup pour. Yeah, let's get to it. I've prepared the canvas already. So yeah, let's put this in the center. There we go. I saved a bit more of the base color to put around the edge. Right, there we go guys, the colours are in, the paints are in. I always have a bit of trouble at the end here because you end up getting left with this bit in the middle, so I think I just need to go over it like that, so that we don't have a big blob of colour there. Let's see if we get any cell action. Pop some bubbles at the same time. So we're getting some nice cells coming through here. I think I might give it a little bit just to develop. So I'll cut back to that now. Okay, there we go guys. We've got some nice cells coming through here. I've got my gloves on. We're going to get going with the tilt. Alright guys, there we go. It's come out quite weirdly, quite a lot of cells, which is cool, but quite murky. I guess that dark orange wasn't the best idea, but let's give it a flame and let's see what develops here. We should get a few more cells now that the paints are a little bit thinner. Okay guys, there you have it. It's starting to develop nicely. There's some nice pink coming through in the cells, which is good, just to break up the lot of orange that has been created. And I think give it a few more minutes, it's going to get even more cells, so that's going to be great. But yeah, it's nice and bright, cheer up my mood from this rainy day. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're nearing 100 subscribers, which is exciting, so the more people that subscribe to the channel, the better for everyone, I think. Sharing our love of this art and this type of painting. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you later in the week for another pour. Let's cut to the close-up. Cheers.